हाय मैडम, क्या हाल है? सही है ना सब? आंटी, आंटी, ए आंटी, हेलो यार, इधर तो नहीं, इधर चलिए मटन। अरे चाय भाई,
अरे दे तो दे, खाओ तो क्या पैसा कमाया जा रहा है। ए तो क्या बात है? ओए ओए, बड़ा दम है। क्या है? बड़ा दम है। हैं?
The need of the hour is not to have strict laws to protect women against crime. The actual requirement is to change the mentality of the society. Why do our women have to think twice before stepping out after sunset? Why are the newspapers filled with headlines of rape every day? Why girls are burnt alive for dowry? Why there are so many questions about how a woman carries herself? Why do we question her dignity, her freedom, her personality, her rights? If you talk to your daughter about safety, why don't you talk to your son about consent? Ask yourself.